got the RILAND mini stick welder. Very nice carrying handle. Easy to read face, dial, connections. Nice off and on switch. Nice fan for cooling. Nice thick power cord. Very, very compact. Easy to use, easy to set up. You get the rod holder. Quick connect for the machine. Grounding cable. Quick connect for grounding cable. Welding joint brush. And weld tester. You get the MMA 120E welding machine user manual. You get the welder. Everything you need. 110-volt, 120-amp welding rods. Lightweight, smart chip, energy efficient. Very good value for your money. Makes a great gift and a good addition to your household welding accessories. Thank you.